Hello guys and welcome to Best Memes I Found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within.
I've been trying to call.
All day, I go outside and everybody's calling me Jerry, and I have no idea why. What is going on with that?
Hi, Jerry.
Stop acting like you know the way ahead, like you know the rules. There are no rules, man. We're lost.
No.
This is something else.
Mr. Bombastic, Bomba Fantastic.
Scared? I'll show you scared. Hand me those acting sticks.
Don't go that way. Tough day on the farm. Oh, I wonder when Sharon's coming home. Oh, God! Damn it, I think I'm stuck. I'm gonna kill that
I have so much cash on hand that I actually counted by weighing it on my bathroom scale. And
Uncle Stan, are you wearing a blindfold?
nah, but with these cataracts, I might as well be. What is that, a woodpecker?
If you'd wanted to kill me, you would have already done so. Till we meet again.
It's for the way you look at me. Oh.
Welcome to a brand new beginning, you sorry shits. Freeze!
I'm thirsty.
I said freeze!
Come here.
Posting a video entitled, "Some creature creeps under the pedestrian bridge in Kiev." The footage shows traffic passing by on the
Sun is shining in the sky. There ain't a cloud in sight. It's something.
You want to cook crystal meth?
So much cash on hand that I actually counted by weighing it on my bathroom scale.
Nightlife
exclusive.
dog! This place is magnificent!
Hi, I'm Saul Goodman. Did you know that you have rights? The Constitution says you do, and so do I. I believe that until proven guilty, every man, woman, and child in this country is innocent. And that's why I fight for you, Albuquerque!
The jack-o'-lantern. The chocolate ice.
¡Vamos! ¡Sí! ¡Lo tenemos! ¡Lo tenemos! ¡Lo tenemos! ¡Pizza! ¿Por qué pone ahí pizza, tío? ¿Pero por qué?
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent.
Drop the mortgage in the bank!
Please, I have children.
Good to know. We'll come for them next.
Yes.
That's a pretty watch.
No, please, it belonged to my grandpa.
You want to try me? I'll drop your credit score so low you won't even be able to get a loan at the library, punk!
Well, at least I'm leaving with my dignity.
No, we'll have that too. Your pants. Put them in the bag.
There's a big possibility that I'm high right now, but I'm pretty sure Jesus is in the corner of my room.
Rest now, my child. Crafting.
I have a device that will solve all of our problems.
Mr. Bombastic, Bomba Fantastic.
Kitty! Dad, after me!
What?
I've been called a lot of things, but never death. I like it. That's my gay porn.
It's that murder music. I let that chopper sing and they listen to it. My bitch, she like to get high, yeah, we getting booted.
That's for real shit. Hey, y'all,
birthday and I got this card. I got fucking Blue Lobstered in person.
Idiots! Behind you! What?
沙发用久了，上面有很多老旧污渍，很难清理，就想换个。
My friend, you talk more shit, you end up like this.
You want food?
I love Twinkies. I love Zingers. I hate.
Don't let anybody ruin your day. Ruin it yourself. Be a man.
By the way, you're gay.
I'm begging. Honest, who do you call when you are at your lowest? Who is that one person?
3, 2, 1. Ah, what'd you know? We didn't die.
Oh, diggity hot. Magnificent. This place is...
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within.
You're a damn good liar.
That's all.
No! No!
Some pizza? Alright, now we gotta take small bites.
Yeah, bitch!
Okay. Show me.
Gregory! What the f*** are you doing? How did you get up there?
You're up. You know what I mean? Hey! What's the big idea?
This is cheese sauce. Guess what it's made out of?
Sauce.
Yeah, you're right, it's cheese.
Oh, Grizzly, I got a lot of allegations about me being racist. Can we start having sex?
I wasn't expecting that.
Well, I can't be a racist if I'm fucking a black guy.
You can't say that.
Hold on.
But you can be a pedophile, because I'm 17.
It's a double whammy.
No, it can't be. How did you get back here before us?
How did we, Kronk?
Well, you got me. By all accounts, it doesn't make sense.
Bro, I just woke up from my dream. Who stole my fucking eyebrow? Get him back!
Are we here to pick up Joe Swanson?
Are you from the news? You have to tell us if you're from the news.
No, we're his friends.
What are you guys doing here?
We came to bring you home, Joe. We're all really sorry we abandoned you.
Yeah, we just kind of got overwhelmed and all freaked out.
But we're your friends, Joe. And we'll always be there for you no matter what.
Fortnite.
I am a dwarf, and I'm digging a hole. Any of you guys get any diamonds yet?
I'm strip mining at the correct Y level. Nothing yet.
Oh, I found them.
Don't mine them, Joker. What are your coordinates?
What do you mean, don't mind them? Do you have any idea what game we're playing?
So, diamonds are rare, right? So you really want to use fortune, so you get...
Sure, but we don't even have a pick to mine obsidian for an enchanting table. Is your brain working?
Yeah, Elon. I agree with Jordan. I don't know how you plan on enchanting without diamonds in the first place.
So you have to mine just 2 diamonds. We can get the obsidian from a chest at an abandoned nether portal.
That's insane. That would take an eternity. Joker, get the diamonds and we'll make a pick.
You don't understand, Jordan. I saw it in a speedrun. I think mining them now would be a mistake.
Listen up, kid, and listen well. This is my server. These are my diamonds, so shove off.
It's not about the diamonds.
Guys, What is Joker doing? Jamie, pull up Joker's screen.
Joker, please.
Joker.
It's about sending a message.
Joker made a diamond hoe, guys.
You can make those?
I'm like a dog with a sheep.
That's it. I've had it with you. I am banning you from my Minecraft realm.
I'd never know what I'd do if I actually killed one.
You too, Musk. Go play KSP2, like the rest of the nerds.
Elon, if you're playing Factorio, can I please join?
I hate you guys. You're so retarded.
Why so serious?
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.